This guide will explain how to efficiently upload content to Catenda Hub. Follow the instructions below to learn how to submit documents and models. Submit a standard document. From a folder where you want to add a document, click the plus button in the top right corner. From the pop-up window, click Browse. You can then select the document to add from your computer's local folder structure. Once you've selected the document, a new upload window opens. You can change the name of the document as it will appear on Catenda Hub. To do this, click the modifier icon. Then edit the name of your document as desired. Click here to validate. You can also change the status if you wish. To do so, click on the default status here and select another status from the drop-down list. For example, choose the status approved with comment. Finally, click on Upload to drop the document into the folder. Upload an IFC file. Repeat the previous steps to upload an IFC file. After changing the file name and setting the status if necessary, click Upload. The IFC file is currently not visible in the 3D viewer. You must first transform it into a model. To do this, follow these steps. Select the IFC file. Click on the drop-down menu. Click Create Model in the drop-down menu. Initially, the processing will appear in the Visionews column, while the conversion to a template is performed. Once the IFC file has been converted to a template, the 3D button appears. Click on it to open the template in the viewer. The 3D viewer will automatically display, and you can begin exploring your digital model. This guide has covered in detail the steps required to upload content to your Catenda Hub project, whether it is a regular document or an IFC file that can then be transformed into a readable model in the 3D viewer.